listen, I ain't got no beef, no enemies. Call all my haters motivators, cause they can't touch me. Been in this business for a minute, that's a long time. If you was looking for me, you can find me on my grind. I'm on a mission, no competition for this rap king. I bet you think my crown, it must have happened in your dreams. I'm about to make the world feel me like the last.
Greetings, YouTube. Allowing Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Garden Channel, right here in Grove Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. And in today's video, YouTube, we're super excited to be bringing you guys along with us back out to our 4 foot by 8 foot Hugo Culture garden planter, Sweet Baby Red, for not only an update on our yellow sweet banana pepper plant, but also for a harvest on some of those same banana peppers. That's right, YouTube. It's only been 5 days since our last video update on our yellow sweet banana peppers out at Sweet Baby Red, YouTube. But in just the past 5 days, a lot has changed out there at Sweet Baby Red. We actually have about 8 to 10 of those banana peppers that we showed you guys on that plant about 5 days ago that are actually ready to be harvested just 5 days later here, YouTube. I'm gonna take you guys out there right now. I'm gonna swing this camera around for you guys and show you what that plant is actually looking like. Show you what we did to actually support that plant, and show you what those banana peppers are currently looking like on that plant. And then YouTube, and then indeed, we're going to actually harvest about 8 to 10 of those yellow sweet banana peppers. Hang tight, YouTube. All right, YouTube, we're back. Here we are on our way back out to our 4 foot by 8 foot Hugo Culture garden planter that we did indeed name Sweet Baby Red. Although those tomato plant there is actually partially obscuring our sign, we are indeed back out at Sweet Baby Red. It is a partially sunny day here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, but it's actually sprinkling rain at this time also, YouTube. I'm going to take you guys up to this sweet banana pepper plant, show you what it's looking like, and show you why, YouTube, why indeed we are about to harvest 8 to 10 of these yellow sweet banana peppers right now. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! Can you guys see that, YouTube? Can you guys see that in just the past 5 days, YouTube, 8 to 10 of the about 20 banana peppers that had appeared on this plant have indeed ripened. Some of them actually have a little sunburn damage to them, and that's what actually prompted us to get out here today and remove as many of these yellow sweet banana peppers as we're about to actually remove today. But can you guys see how huge these banana peppers have grown, YouTube, in just the past 5 days since we brought you guys our last video update on Sweet Baby Red. Take a look at that, YouTube. Have they gotten huge or what? And again, in just the past 5 days. This one here actually has a little sunburn on it. You can see it's actually not being shaded by any leaves here, and it actually has a little sunburn on it, but that's okay. We'll remove that section of that pepper and still use this pepper. But again, YouTube, in approximately the past 5 days, our bananas on our yellow sweet banana pepper plant have grown by leaps and bounds, and we are indeed about to remove several of those peppers right now, YouTube. I've got my trusty little catch pan down there beneath these plants. I'm going to try to snip these off so you guys can see what I'm doing here, and hopefully that tray down there will catch these banana peppers as they fall. Got one in there, YouTube. That worked out pretty well. I'm going to move this around a little bit. Got 2 in there, YouTube. That worked out pretty well also. I'm going to move around to this next one over here. See if we can catch this guy in the got 3 in there, YouTube. Up there looking fantastic. This one here again is the one that indeed had a little sunburn on it. We'll take that guy as well. We'll remove that sunburn damaged portion of that right there, and still get it in the jar with the rest of these that we're about to harvest right now. Take this guy off. Get him in there. Go around to this other side around here, YouTube. We'll take this one off right here. It missed. But nonetheless, YouTube, nonetheless, we'll get it in the pot anyway with the rest of those. This large one here has a little tiny bit of sunburn damage on its tip as well. As you guys can see here, definitely not an issue for us. We'll take care of that. Right, YouTube. I think we'll leave the rest of the banana peppers that are actually on this plant to grow a little larger. And this is indeed what our plant is looking like after the harvest. The sun is directly overhead right now, so we definitely don't have the best video footage going on here, YouTube, but indeed. Greetings, YouTube. Unleaahed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Garden Channel here in Grove Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. And although it's only been 3 days since we recorded the previous clip to this video, YouTube, we are indeed on our way back out to Sweet Baby Red to harvest another handful of yellow sweet banana peppers, YouTube. That's right. It's only been 3 days since we conducted our last harvest out at Sweet Baby Red of yellow sweet banana peppers. But indeed, YouTube, indeed, since we hard pruned our yellow banana pepper plant, it has begun to produce fruit at a geometric rate, YouTube. That's right. I'm gonna take you guys out there right now, swing this camera around, and show you guys exactly what that yellow sweet banana pepper plant is currently looking like, and show you guys also which banana peppers we are indeed going to harvest right here, right now, at the Green Thumb Garden Channel. Hang tight, YouTube. All right, YouTube. Indeed, here we are on our way back out to Sweet Baby Red, where approximately 3 days ago, YouTube, we harvested nearly 10 yellow sweet banana peppers from this plant out here, YouTube. I'm gonna lift this camera up right now and show you guys exactly what our yellow sweet banana pepper plant is currently looking like, and give you guys a quick peek at the banana peppers that we are indeed about to harvest right here, right now at the Green Thumb Garden Channel. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! As our yellow sweet banana pepper become quite the gangly plant here at Sweet Baby Red, or what, YouTube. As you guys can see, this plant is indeed every bit of approximately 3 feet tall here in this planter. It is abundantly loaded with both yellow sweet banana peppers in various stages of development. But not only do we have peppers in the various stages of development, YouTube, we also have blossoms galore on this plant. Again, less than 1 month ago, YouTube, we came out here and we cut this yellow sweet banana pepper plant all the way back down to virtually the stem. You can see that first cutting we took right there. We hard pruned our yellow sweet banana pepper plant. That's that second cutting over in there, YouTube, where we hard pruned this plant at. And the third cutting, YouTube, the third cutting is indeed on this side of the plant. You guys can see that right down in here. That's that third spot where we hard pruned our yellow banana pepper plant roughly, YouTube, roughly a month ago. And this, YouTube, this is indeed what has happened within the last 30 days with this yellow sweet banana pepper plant. And as you can see, YouTube, it has quite the large size yellow sweet banana peppers on this plant that are indeed harvest ready. I'm going to remove these yellow sweet banana peppers also and add them to the banana peppers that we harvested just 3 days ago, YouTube. And then, YouTube, in tomorrow's video, we're actually going to can these yellow sweet banana peppers. So indeed, stay tuned for that video as well, coming up on tomorrow. At any rate, YouTube, I'm gonna get in here right now. I got a pair of scissors here in one of my pockets. And we're gonna get this harvest underway here, YouTube. I'm gonna try to strategically place my bowl beneath this plant in hopes that it will indeed drop in the bowl when I cut it. It's our first yellow sweet banana pepper. Missed the bowl, but that's okay, YouTube. And again, quite some beautifully developed banana peppers on this plant, YouTube. You guys can see the strings where we had to come out here and actually tie our banana pepper up in place straight, because it had become so top heavy and so loaded with banana peppers that every time the wind blew, it had a tendency to lean in whatever direction the wind was blowing and stay bent over in that particular direction, YouTube. So we did indeed again come out here. We tied our banana pepper plant up in place in the position that we wanted it to stand in our garden. And again, it is doing, YouTube, it is indeed doing quite well and producing quite abundantly here in our front yard garden extended grow area. We've got one more huge one up in here that we're gonna harvest today, YouTube. That huge guy right there. It is quite the specimen, as you guys can see. And get that guy off of our plant. And what that will indeed do, YouTube, is prompt our plant to rapidly develop the smaller yellow sweet banana peppers that it is indeed forming at this point. All these yellow peppers, these are smaller, younger, less developed peppers. I'll be back out here again, YouTube. I guarantee you guys, within the next 3, maybe 4 days, harvesting yellow sweet banana peppers again, YouTube. Indeed. Harvesting yellow sweet banana peppers at Sweet Baby Red. Thanks for watching, YouTube. And if indeed you currently are watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah. Harvesting yellow sweet banana peppers at Sweet Baby Red. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
Ain't out here dissing, I ain't got no beef, no enemies. Call all my haters motivators, cause they can't touch me. Been in this business for a minute, that's a long time. If you was looking for me, you can find me on my grind. I'm on a mission, no competition for this rap king. I bet you think my grind, it must have happened in your dreams. I'm about to make the world feel me like the last time. So make the microphone smoke when I say what's on my mind. It was 8 years ago when I first hit the rap scene. It was 2019 and I got the whole world listening. They gather around me to keep it one from all the heat I bring. And I tell you, so why y'all haters out there hating me? Why y'all hating? 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 Frankie, Beverly, and May. So I'm taking you back when rap was real in the old days. More than a man, I'm like a lion trying to expand. And the world's against me, so I came up with a different plan. No more 9 to 5 working for the other man. And don't trust the media, my destiny is in my hand. Done came a long way from where this lion first began. Won't let nobody make me hate the color of my skin. No matter where we're from, America is where we live. Ain't not here dissing others, but I'ma tell it like it is. Everybody say they praying for some better days, but this world will never change until we stop the hate. Why y'all hate?